Keep your Mazda CX-9's infotainment system current with updates. Most 2022-2025 models use over-the-air OTA updates for convenience. These updates deliver stability improvements, faster app loading, and enhanced compatibility with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. For older models or areas with poor connectivity, USB updates are still an option. OTA updates require a Mazda Connected Services subscription, while USB updates involve downloading software from Mazda's website onto a USB drive. Make sure your CX-9 is in park and powered on during the update process, which can take 30 to 60 minutes. Always back up your data before starting any update to avoid data loss. Mazda CX-9 map updates are powered by TomTom and now include real-time traffic data. These updates are delivered via OTA, providing quarterly refreshes for the latest roads and points of interest. Wireless CarPlay is standard on higher trims of the 2025 CX-9, providing seamless smartphone integration for apps, calls, and navigation. Wireless Android Auto is also standard on higher trims of the 2025 CX-9, offering seamless smartphone integration for apps, calls, and navigation. To update maps and CarPlay Android Auto, ensure your CX-9 is connected to Wi-Fi or has a strong cellular signal for OTA. For CarPlay Android Auto, wired connections are available via USB, while wireless requires Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi. Expert opinions praise Mazda's OTA system for user-friendliness, with statistics showing a high adoption rate among CX-9 owners. Stay connected and enjoy the latest features with these simple update methods.